What's good, guys? jacobcrypobury here. Hope you're doing fantastic despite the disasters that we've seen in the market. I just want to let you guys know that I will be staying here throughout the entire bear market phase. Doesn't matter if it takes a year or two, I will be here to support your crypto journey, guys. So make sure you do smash that subscribe button, and just want to do a quick market overview. What's really happened at the moment? If we just quickly look at 2017, you can see this is the crypto market capital excluding Bitcoin's valuation. Last time, 2017, we lost that descending triangle straight down to the 200-week moving average. Again, we had that during COVID, and now on the daily time frame, it does look possible that we could come down lower, maybe to a $400 billion market cap excluding Bitcoin, meaning that we could expect another 20 to 30% correction with altcoins if we do lose this key area of support. Looking at 589 billion, well, we did get a nice bounce at that particular level, which is pretty good. Anyway, let's crack on with this video. What has happened so far with Terra Luna? Well, I feel so bad for anyone that was like 100% in Luna, because they probably lost literally the life savings overnight, which is kind of crazy. And it's terrible. I really feel bad, and I think there's a big lesson to take away from this, that portfolio diversification is extremely important, because if you held 20 different projects and one did bad, hopefully you've got a few that are doing really good. So what's happened so far is we've come all the way down to $0.04, $154 million market cap. You can see over the days we've literally just dropped from $80 down to 60, down to 40, 30, and all the way down to literally pennies, guys. Just pennies. So it's disastrous, and we're just going to look at what happened. So the TA was all doing fine. The trade analysis, everything was working. We were in this rising wedge position, and to be honest, we're just looking at the unpredictable. You cannot actually apply any technical analysis to this. Will this go to zero? Because it could effectively go to zero. It already went down to $0.02, guys. Absolute mental disaster, and it's really hard to actually apply any technical analysis to this. Of course, you could start dollar cost averaging. Maybe you predict that it will go up a little bit over time, but really for me, I think it's way too uncertain. There's too much legality around this. Basically, this is criminal what has just happened, but it can happen in crypto, and it's knocked a lot of confidence on the other stable coins, and also the faith that people have on cryptocurrency projects in general. Of course, you know, crypto is doing amazing. We've got over 20,000 unique cryptocurrencies now. 2017 we only had like 3,000. Of course, the bear market will wipe out a lot of these projects that don't have cash reserves or funding to stay with us, but this will also filter the ones that aren't really worth investing in, and I think that's very important. That's what we're going to look at on this channel, as well as projects that are worth looking at over time, that have strong real world utility and a reason to invest and hold over the long period. So you can see right now we are completely oversold on every single time frame. The 4 hour as well is looking dreadful. The volume is incredible. We had some of the biggest volume ever just in the last 4 hours for this particular project. On the 1 hour as well, you can see there's some crazy volatility. So you could probably get away with scalp trading this if you know how to. I mean, personally, I think it's way too risky. We came down to $0.02 and we got that bounce to 0.14 literally over the last few minutes. So the volatility is absolutely there, which could be ideal for scalp trading. Now, some people might just buy this for fun, so they can actually just, you know, people that wish they held Luna, maybe people that are hoping or taking a gamble. Some people might be holding some of this in hopes that it might take another bounce to the upside, but right now I think the chances are extremely low. I don't even think we're going to get a double bottom reversal here. I think we're just going to see more downside, guys. This is disastrous, okay? Terra, total value locked. If we look at the ecosystem, we can see that every single protocol here, look at the change. You can see TVL is down 1.34 billion. Mirror 170 million TVL. We're down 92% on the Anchor protocol. We can see Mars, Risk Harbor, Aperture down 57, 70%, 60%. And looking at this graph, it's just absolute disaster for the protocol. We're down to 2.14 billion. We had like 30 billion locked in, so we've seen over 90% of the TVL just completely wiped out for the Terra Luna ecosystem. It's absolutely disastrous. And also, I wanted to show you another thing which I think is highly correlated. We're looking at Tether USDT, and I think Luna and UST is probably never ever going to recover. That is the truth. What we did see with USDT USDT, God, I'm really tripping out. We can see basically we actually depegged from the dollar for a while. A few hours it came down to 0.95. Now this is nothing to laugh about, because if USDT does depeg and does exactly what basically Terra Luna did and UST, we're going to see the whole of the crypto market bubble just completely pop. It's going to be annihilated. It's going to look absolutely dreadful. Now guys, I just want to remind you that bear markets are great times to potentially enter the market. It's time to research good projects. Look through CoinMarketCap, look through Reddit. Start understanding which projects are worth looking at. Financial services, layer 1 and 2 infrastructure, Web3, nodes. This is the time where we're experiencing max fear in the market. We're experiencing those feelings completely opposite to the greed and euphoria which makes you want to buy. We're experiencing the things that make you do silly things and invalidate your logic. Remember, crypto is a high risk asset if you're buying in at the wrong time. If you're doing hodl long-term strategies, you will most likely become wealthy from doing so. Holding for 2 to 4 years is the most successful strategy with cryptocurrency, guys. So yeah, on the note of actual gems, like alt gems also, I do want to highlight one too, which is DeFi Coins. This is one that I'm super bullish on. You can buy it on Bitmart, DeFi Swap, Pancake Swap, and I'll show you the price action actually. Basically, DeFi Coins is the future of algorithmic crypto trading strategies. They also have a great staking platform as well, which I really want to show you over here, because you can lock in at different levels. If we just quickly connect my wallet, as you can see, I'm going to show you how cool this is. You can stake different amounts of DEFC and you're going to get different packages. 75% APY here, you're going to get 60% APY, 45% APY, 30% APY, all at different lock-in rates. DeFi Swap is also a decentralized exchange, and this is one I'm bullish on because look at the price action. Despite the bearish sentiment in the market, it's just pumping right now. So DeFi Coins, I want to share this with you. Nice roadmap for the rest of 2022. I've done some research on them. They do have cash reserves to keep the business and the crypto project operating. They can afford marketing and PR. So I am very, very bullish on this. Make sure you check out this project in the comments or description section down below. Guys, if you do want to join my Discord channel as well, make sure you head in so we can all unite and make the most of this bear market. We need to be together. We need to research projects together, share advice, share what could potentially moon over the next few years, because we are in a long-term bear market right now, guys. As we can see, let's have a look at the BLX chart, which I really like, one of my favorite charts, and this will highlight to us the current correction that we've seen in this current market cycle. So let's look. 2017, we saw a 84% correction from top to bottom. So far, what have we seen? We have seen a 59% correction from top to bottom. Now what happened each time is we come down to the 200-week moving average, 200-week moving average. Over here, COVID-19 anomalous event, shall we say, we hit the 200-week moving average. Now at the bottom of the 2017 bear market, we hit the 200-week moving average as well. Wow, I'm struggling to talk. And what's happening? I think we are inevitably gonna make our way to this 200-week moving average. Of course, the average value goes up with time. So we could effectively still get this bounce to the upside and still come back down to the 200-week moving average in the future. It doesn't mean we're going to lose the support now. We could still come up and get that relief bounce. There's multiple scenarios that could play out right now. We truly don't know what's going to happen, guys. But that's the interesting thing about crypto. That's what keeps you in the market. It's the uncertainty. It's the excitement of what could potentially happen. Now, if we do come down to the 200-week moving average, I will be buying a lot of cryptocurrency, building my long-term portfolio. If you want to start your own portfolio today, use the link at the top of the description. You can click through, take you through to a SciSec FCA accredited exchange, also known as a Toro, and you can start building your long-term portfolio there. Guys, if you like this video, subscribe. I'm going to be sticking around through the bear markets. Appreciate the viewing. Take care. Bye now.